Let's learn how to modify a reservation on OpenTable. First, go on OpenTable app, and when you are going, you need to go on your bookings and choose a reservation you want to modify. When you do that, that will send you on this menu, and look at the top left corner of the screen, and you can see the name of that restaurant, and that is your booking confirm. Now below that, you can see an option called Manage Booking, and you need to click on it. When you do that, OpenTable app will open to you a pop-up menu with two different options. The second option is that to cancel your booking, and first option is that to modify your booking, and click on it. Now you are come on this page where you can change how many people you want to go to this restaurant. Also, you can change a date you want to go to the restaurant. Third thing is that you can change a time you want to go to the restaurant. So because of that, select a new time you want to go. And the last thing is that to write any special request you want. And when you do that, click on the red continue button in the bottom of the screen and confirm you want to modify your booking. And that's it.